na sad to say non-compliant kaayo ang kating building, no, and also ang executive building ug ang legislative ug executive building good. So you want me to read all this? Dagan-dagan na ba yun ni? No automatic fire sprinkler system, no fire detection and alarm system, no alternate fire exits in certain offices. Most of the electrical installation needs rehabilitation, so safety kuan sa issue. Insufficient automatic emergency lights, insufficient fire exits. Ang sa legislative building kay defective non-functioning automatic fire suppression system, defective fire detection and alarm system, substandard fire exit stairs, insufficient emergency lights, obstruction along fire exit signage not illuminated, fire evacuation plan not posted, panic hardware mechanism and fire exit closer not provided, hazardous material stores inside electrical room. So, Ginoo ko, naglabad naman ako, nagbasa.
So what's the proposal?
Because we have to comply all this, no? Because this is a safety issue. Sige, tagstorya kalambuan, diri progress on our very own seat of power is not even complying with a simple fire protection mechanism here in the capital.
Do we have funds for that?
We have funds for this, Roy. According sa ato ang treasurer, naara ko no, so dili maguol kay ato ni i-comply. Kay naaman sa tay guidance from Bureau of Fire Protection. So we will have to comply with all this. Naaray funds, so as soon as possible, ato ni i-comply. Kay para ni sa safety sa mga tao nga naa nanarbaho diri ug ang near mga taga-probinsya nga mo ani diri mulukat, so very unsafe. That's something I noticed good first time I get into the building na wala may mga fire extinguishers. Or na magali old kato pang green naman doon, di ba?